Welcome to my channel. In this session we will see one more topic in control flows, that is do-while. So for that I will create one new sequence with the help of do. I will name this as do-while example. So this will create a new XAML file with name as do-while example. So here we have a sequence. Now for opening a do-while activity, go to the activities tab and search for do-while. Here we can see the do-while activity is available under workflow section. Control. Just drag and drop it into our designer panel. So here we can observe two parts in do-while loop, that is body part and condition part. So here do-while loop, so body will execute it at least once. After that the condition will be validated. The condition is true, then again control goes back to the body part and it will execute the body till our execution of the condition statement get failed. So once the condition statement is failed, body will not execute and the control comes out of the loop and it will execute the remaining part of the sequence, or else it will get terminated if it is the last activity. So in this example what I will do is I will create one variable which is named as a count. So using it as a counter, so I will keep as integer that variable. Scope is do-while example. So here I will write a condition so that my count will be implemented by 1 and it will bring the values in the output panel. So here I will write the condition like count the values till 10. And in body I will do one thing. Take one assign. Here I will assign the value to the count variable itself and increment the value of count by 1. And for printing this we need to use right line for printing on the output panel. Here we have the activity, we drag and drop it to you. Here keep the statement like this. Append the variable of count to string. Here the output panel displays the values in the form of string, so that's why we need to convert the integer variable to string format. And along with that I will add a delay of 2 seconds to see the execution, see the behavior of our sequence. For that I will take a delay. Here we have the delay activity, just drag and drop it and write the duration in the properties panel. For example, I want to keep as 2 seconds, just mention it. Don't forget to update it. So the sequence is ready. Now what will happen is the body count equals to plus 1 will get executed and display the value as 1. Why? Because count value is 0 as we have not initiated any value in the variables panel. So I will open the output and will run this now. In the output panel I don't have anything, so I'm clearing all the messages or warning messages. So now click on the play button. So this will execute our sequence. So debug for the file started, so blank process execution started. Count 1 which is displayed and waited for 2 seconds and printed the count as 2. And it is incremented for every 2 seconds. So we can observe here. This process will continue till our count condition gets failed. As count greater than 10 will get failed. As it is count greater than equals to, so less than or equals to 10, that's and got printed. So after it is reaching to the value less than or equals to 10, so it is crossing the value as count equals to 10, it got failed and displayed as 11. So like this we need to use the do-while loop when user wants to execute the process at least once. Like this we need to use this do-while process. I hope you all like the video. So please like if you video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.